In this lesson, we are going to add WhatsApp chats to our website. There should be a way of the visitors connecting with the store owner. And it is known that most people would like to have an interaction with the store owner or a representative of the e-commerce website before they'll be able to make a decision on buying a product. It could be that they want to be sure of a particular size of a product or something peculiar that they want to know, and having a system for them to reach out to you is best. Since almost everyone uses WhatsApp, it is appropriate that we add a WhatsApp chat to our online store so that customers can easily reach out to us or whoever the store manager is, so that they'll be able to solve the problems of the customers and hence make a sale. So how do we do it? We are going to add a WhatsApp chat plugin. So go to plugins and click on add new. There are several WhatsApp chat plugins, and one of my favorites is Join Chat. So type join.chat. If you know of another WhatsApp chat plugin that you think will be okay for you to use, that is still fine. This is one of my favorites. So you type join chats and then you have this here, then you can install it. Activate after installation. Now that the plugin is active, we can configure some few settings to make it work. So go to settings and then join chats. The plugin is able to detect your country automatically. You can now add your WhatsApp number so that it will show on the website. So this one is a pre-filled or predefined text that the moment they click on the chat button, they can easily edit and add their details and then forward to you. So it could be something like, "Hi, I sent you this message from your website. I want to make enquiries." Or, "Hello, I sent you this message from your website. I want to buy this product, but I have a few questions." A message like this that they can easily reach out to you with. And then this is the text that is shown next to the button on the website. So the default one is "need help." So it could be anything. Since this one is related to products, we can make it something like, "Which products are you looking to buy?" Or "Which products do you want to buy?" This is the position of the WhatsApp chat button, whether the left of the screen or the right of the screen. You can choose any of them. Then the delay of the button is the time interval that it will take the moment the user lands on the website to the time that the button should display to the user. So 30 seconds can be okay. Or if you want it to display as quickly as possible, then you can reduce the number to 2 or to 1 second. You can leave these options because you want to display on both mobile and on desktop. And yes, we want to open WhatsApp web on the desktop too, so we can check this box. This is a call to action text that you can equally add some text there to draw their attention. So we can still use the default one there. "How may I help you?" Or you can change this to something more meaningful. So we can choose a color, a theme color for the chats window, and we can leave all other options as they are by default, or we can go through them and see which ones require modifications. And having done everything, we save changes. Now let's take a look at how this will work by refreshing our website. Yeah, so we now see the WhatsApp chat button on the right here. And the moment you hover over it, you see that it has this pre-filled message, a call to action message, which will make them also want to open the chats. And with this one, since I'm on the desktop, it will open WhatsApp chats on the desktop. But if I was using a smartphone or a mobile device, it would have taken me to my WhatsApp on that phone. So this is basically how to integrate WhatsApp chat with your store so that customers can easily have a chat with you or the store owner to make sure that you don't lose sales.